Hello, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Nakaboto na kayo. So, merong dalawang video lang yung nakalap ko na nare-reactan natin ngayong episode na to. Ito yung una. Isisingit ko na to. Ano ba ito? Ganon. Then ito naman yung isang video. Ito nagba-viral to ngayon eh. Ito yung sa Hong Kong daw. Yung Pinay tsaka yung Indian sa sa train to sa Hong Kong. Panoorin natin.
No, you are rude, fat.
Look at yourself first before you talk to me.
Don't spit on me.
I'm not spitting
You are. Your saliva is coming. Don't talk to me. Go away, you fat cow. Won't you get chicken?
No, go away.
Chip. Please don't discriminate me. I should call you out when you are fat. It's not discrimination.
Can you please shut up?
Can you please get lost?
My
Don't
bones to get
spit
lost.
there.
You don't care. If you wanted to move, then you move.
I can't. You're still in the way. The fat woman is in the middle.
I think you change your face. Duh.
Ulitin nga natin, lagyan natin ng subtitle. Hindi ko naiintindihan yung yung pinag-uusapan eh.
No, you are rude, fat.
Look at yourself first before you talk to me.
Don't spit on me.
I'm not spitting.
You are. Your saliva is coming. Don't talk to me. Go away, you fat cow. Won't you get chicken?
No, go away.
Chip. Please don't discriminate me. I should call you out when you are fat. It's not discrimination.
Can you please shut up?
Can you please get lost?
My
Don't
bones to get
spit
lost.
there.
You don't care. If you wanted to move, then you move.
I can't. You're still in the way. The fat woman is in the middle.
I think you change your face. Duh.
Oh, the Jollibee chicken. Wonder why you're fat.
Maybe you don't have the money to buy Jollibee chicken.
No, I don't.
That's why.
I don't work here as a domestic helper like most of you. I have
Excuse
no
me,
money.
I'm
Wag naman yon. Ano na yon? Foul naman yon. Sinabing gano'n ni Ma'am Indian. I don't work like a domestic helper like most of you, excuse me. Foul na yon, di ba? Hindi ko alam yung pinagmula ng away nila pero tama ba ako? Sinisita si dahil do sa amoy nung Jollibee Chicken Joy. Tama ba ako? Yun ang pagkakaintindi ko eh. Then nag-anuhan na sila. Pero yung main argument hindi ko putol kasi yung video. Pero nung sinabi na ito medyo racist na itong banat ni Ate Indian, hindi na maganda to. Yung pagiging mataba ni Pilipina medyo naiintindihan ko pa eh. Personal na away yun eh. Pero yung the time na nag-init na yung dugo ko nung kasi ang sabing gano'n ni ni ating Indian.
I think you change your face. Duh.
Oh, the Jollibee chicken.
I'm the
Wonder why you're fat.
Wonder why you're fat dahil doon sa chicken nga daw. Hindi naman kayo nagkakalayo ng ano eh, ng itsura din itong katabi mo eh.
You don't care. Maybe you don't have the money to buy Jollibee.
Parang sinabi niya, maybe you don't have the money to buy. Medyo mali itong ano eh, itong yung subtitle. Pero maybe you don't have money to buy the Jollibee chicken, something like that, no? Kasi Jollibee yung dala niya eh.
No, I don't.
That's why.
I don't work here as a domestic helper like most of you. I
Ito yung nakakadilim ng paningin. I don't work here as a domestic helper like most of you. Racist na ito eh. 'Di ba? Pag ano parang buong lahi na ng Pinoy yung inano niya. Yung
Excuse me, I'm not a domestic helper here.
I said like
And
most
whatever.
of you. Do you
Whatever.
understand English? I
Of
said like
course.
most of you. I didn't say you particularly.
Oh,
Oh, you have no answer. You don't know how to
you don't
answer.
also have the right.
no, ang mali ikaw ating Indian. Kasi natatalo ka na eh. Biglang bumanat ka ng ano, dinamay mo na yung buong community ng Pilipino. Dapat kayo lang ang nag-aaway. Medyo okay pa sa akin yung pagsabihan mo na mataba to eh. Pero yung sabihin mo na walang damayan ng lahi.
To discriminate the domestic helper.
I'm not domesticating them.
I
I'm
don't
saying
care.
most of them
I
here
don't
are
care.
DH, and therefore that's the truth. The fact is you're fat. The fact is most Filipinos here are domestic helpers.
And is there anything wrong with
There's
Filipinos
nothing wrong
being
with that.
domestic
It's
helpers
the
here?
truth.
We have
Wala, racist na ito si ating Indian. Hindi na kasi siya nananalo do sa personal level na argument eh. Hindi hindi maganda yung sinabi niya. At saka anong connect nun? Kayong dalawa yung nag-aaway eh. 'Di ba? Ang sinabi kasi ni Pinay dun sa tabi niya, kasi ang sinabi ni Indian nung una, mataba ka kasi dahil puro chicken joy yung kinakain mo. Parang something like that, no? Then nag-retaliate si Pilipina. Maybe wala kang pera pambili. Tapos biglang bumanat ito si India na oo, wala. Pero hindi naman katulad ng mga Pilipinong katulad nyo na karamihan sa inyo, mga domestic helper. Hindi na maganda yung racist na yung labas nun. 'Di ba? Talo si ating India. Ngayon, kahit sino naman makarinig nun, magpapanting talaga ang tenga.
a lot of Filipinos here.
It's the truth. There's nothing wrong with them, but it's the truth.
Hindi, oo, walang mali doon, pero ang problema doon, ginamit mo yun sa argument mo eh. Na wala namang kinalaman yun eh.
Really?
Yeah, most of them are here as DH.
And at least they're doing a proper
There's nothing wrong
job.
with
And
that.
that's a
Yeah.
decent job.
So why do you need to bring being a domestic helper here?
Because she can't understand my question. I said that most people here from the Philippines.
No.
No.
You keep the thing is you keep on talking shit about Filipinos. Not every Filipino is
I'm not
like
being here, you know.
a lot of Filipinos here are educated.
Look at the newspaper article in the South China Morning Post. The immigration officer
We
in
don't
Hong Kong
care.
at the
Walang problema yon. Hindi, iba na yung argument mo ating Indian eh. Wala na. Dinadala ang pinag-uusapan lang, yung personal level lang. Walang ganunan. Paano kung sabihin ng mga Pinay dyan, ng mga kalahi mo dyan, may mga putok? 'Di ba? Tsaka may mababaho ang katawan. 'Di ba? Hindi. Mali ito si
Are
ate.
you a prostitute or a domestic helper? Everybody knows they're A
Whatever.
or B, okay?
Then
So you're pretending if we are not DH,
so
we're
what is that? You're saying that you're not
Are you
discriminating Filipinos, but what are you saying?
Talk to the newspaper. They're already saying that.
No, talk to
It doesn't
yourself.
bother me. I'm not a Filipino.
Oh
If you're not
really?
bothered, why you keep on talking?
You are the one who keeps bringing
up, I
shit
don't need
about
to-
like
you-
Filipinos.
I've left you. Now you've got 2 spaces for your fat bum. Now shut up.
You keep on talking, you know. You shut up.
I have a bloody fat Filipina next to me with 2 packs of Jollibee chicken who keeps on barking at me. I told her the truth. A, she is fat. B, most of them are here as domestic helpers. And this is the truth. I'm not even making up lies.
Yes.
There's nothing wrong
Hindi
with
kasi totoo naman kasi yung totoo naman yung sinabi ni most of Filipinos talaga domestic helper dyan sa Hong Kong. Kaya lang hindi kasama yung sa argument nyo eh. Nasa personal level yun eh. Bakit kailangan idama yung lahi? 'Di ba? Hindi nakukuha ni ating India yung mechanics ng pagtutok shit sa isa't isa. For example, kaya yung pagiging mataba, yung sinabi niya na mataba si Pinay. Okay, sige, personal level yun eh. Ang pangit mo. Maitim ka. Basta lahat ng yun lang naisip ko, pagiging mataba kasi yun lang naman ang kayang ipintas ni ating Indian eh. Tapos nung natatalo na siya sa argument, biglang binring up niya na lahat ng halos lahat daw ng Pilipina domestic helper. I mean, walang doon. Hindi naman nilait yung lahi mo bilang Indiano ka eh. 'Di ba? Kasi sinabi mo mataba si ate kasi may dala-dala siyang Jollibee kaya pala ang taba-taba. Tapos ang nirebat kasi ni Pinay kasi kami may pambili, ikaw wala kang pambili. Bigla niyang binanat yung pagiging domestic helper. 'Di ba? Walang kwenta yung argument ni Indian, 'di ba?
And there's nothing wrong with being a domestic helper. With being fat, if you're taking up some of someone's space, then there is an issue. And being a domestic helper, there is
Yun ang issue. Parang nasagi siguro ni Adel sa mataba siya, no? Pero same body type lang naman kayo eh.
an issue. I don't know why these people are talking. We don't come here and throw ourselves at white men like most of these Filipinos do.
Ay, grabe na to. Grabing racist na ito. Ayun o, sinabi niyang ganon. We don't come here and throw ourselves at white men daw. Like most of this. Masyadong racist na ito.
Money. We make our own way in life. We're not like that. We're not
Tamo, gini-generalize niya.
domestic helpers. We are not prostitutes. We don't hang around one child like they do. We're all here, born here, educated here, studied here.
So you are saying that I'm not a resident
I'm not
here.
even talking to this person. I don't even know why she's talking to me. She carries on. 99% of them are not even resident here. 95% of them are domestic helpers.
Kinukuhanan ko siya
Look
tapos
at the
mamaya.
statistics. You can't even tell the truth. If you can't tell the truth, why should you lie? Why am I going to lie and say most of them are here as residents? It's not really true.
Kanina pa yan, te.
Bastos yan. Kanina pa eh.
Nag-discriminate kanina pa eh. Tignan mo yung space ko, te. Ang bastos. Kanina pa.
Yeah, tell
No,
me
I'm gonna talk to mom. I'm gonna talk to mom.
Yeah, go and stuff your face with the chicken. That's what I
Te, kakausapin ko si mama na kausapin yung abogado.
Yeah.
Racist ito.
Hayaan mo na lang siya, kinuhanan ko siya. Kinukuhanan ko siya. May kaibigan tayong abogado, te.
And there's a lot of children here, look.
Halata naman kung sino yung uneducated dito.
Uneducated. He's saying that, yun na nga, te,
The thing
nakakautang
is-
bastos niya. So what kung madaming DH dito, di ba? Ano ngayon?
Eh, sila nga,
Legal
anong
na
tingin sa
trabaho
kanila
yun.
dito?
Bastos na.
Immigrant nga tingin sa kanila dito.
All the Chinese, we know that they are helpless. All the Chinese tell me they are the helpless. It's not even I who say that.
Well,
Wala.
I'm not a
Walang kwentang kalaaban sa argument ito, no? Racist.
helper. She's not a
Can you stop
helper.
interrupting my conversation? I'm not even talking to you, bitch. I don't know why that bitch keeps interfering in my conversation.
Ang dami problema sa mundo, te.
She keeps
Kaka-stress.
putting a saliva on her. There's so much chicken in your
Siya nga tong kanina pang nagdudura dito.
Kaya nga. Na-high blood ka din, te. Dinamay niya lahat, no? Ang bastos.
Kaya lang ang problema dyan, syempre hindi ka naman, pero bilib ako dito sa mga Filipina na to na hindi nila pinisikal kasi yari sila, wala sila sa sarili nilang bansa eh. Sabagay, hindi rin naman lokal itong kausap nila. Pero nakakabwisit, ano? Papuntahin mo kaya ng Pilipinas yan.
Kaya nga, eh.
I'm sure the smell of chicken permeates through the whole compartment of the train.
Buksan mo, asarin mo.
Wait, tumatawa yung alaga ko, te.
Iba naman kasi yung ano, yung amoy talaga ng Jollibee. Parang granada yan eh, no? Pag binuksan mo.
Where did we hire her from? Don't even sign a contract with another Filipino. I don't know why. They just,
Oh, iyak ka sa nanay mo.
just kind of shit. They just want to work here and then they just don't know anything.
They don't know anything. Baka mamaya pagka nag-resign lahat ng Pinay dyan, hindi malaman ng Hong Kong yung gagawin nila. Diba?
You okay?
Baka inggit siya, hindi kasi siya pwede kumain ng ganyan.
So sad naman, te.
Grabe, no? Racist. Pinilit ko talagang maging equal. Siyempre, iniisip ko din naman, baka naman talagang bastos din yung Pinay. Na ano, pero nung nagpanting yung tenga ko dun sa issue na yung pati yung pagiging yung pagiging domestic helper ng mga Pilipina dun dinamay. Kasi pag mga ganyang away, ano lang to personal level lang dapat ito Insultuhan lang kayo. 'Di ba? Kung ano nasa itsura nung kausap mo yon, okay lang yon. Pero yung idadamay mo yung buong lahi para lang manalo ka, kasi natatalo na siya Natatalo na siya do sa argument Pero believe pa rin ako yung mga kababayan natin hindi nagpadala sa emotion kasi mamaya kung ibang Pinay yan, nanugod na yan, 'di ba? Na nabunot na yan. Mga shoutout sa mga OFW dyan sa Hong Kong yung mga nanonood sa akin. 'Di ba? Ganito yung tularan nyo, wag kayong wala tayo sa bansa natin pag ganyan. Hindi lang sa Hong Kong, pati sa ibang bansa pa. 'Di ba? Pairalin nyo tong ganito. Tsaka pag halimbawa may nakiaway kayo, walang damayan ng lahi. 'Di ba? Hayaan nyo sila na sila yung maging racist, wag kayo. Believe nga ako dito hindi nila inano yung pagiging Indian 'di ba mga Indian sikat yan sa pagiging mabaho talaga. Tsaka yung dugyot yung mga kinakain. Buti hindi nila inano yun. Kasi ako iniisip ko na yun Nung sinabi niya na domestic helper ang mga Pilipina, naisip ko na yun yun yung pang-irebat Pero at least kahit pa paano nagtimpi yung mga kababayan natin. Very good, very good. 'Di ba? Walang patutunguhan kasi kapag pinisikal mo to Pero hindi ko rin naman masisisi kung sugurin nila yan at sabunutan nila yan. Kasi grabe naman talaga yung bibig. Buti nga na i-video 'Di ba? Mahirap kasi din mapulis ka sa ibang bansa Unlike dito sa atin, 'di ba? Sa atin dito pag may ganyan ibabarangay muna. 'Di ba? Sa barangay pwede mapag-usapan ko ano yung atraso sa ibang bansa wala Hindi ganoon 'Di ba? Kaya 'yon. So sa mga OFW, gayahin nyo to. Although na may nakaaway sila, hindi masyadong pumatol. 'Di ba? Siguro okay na din kasi sa bagay may kasama si ating Pilipina Supposed to be dapat pinagtulungan nila yan pero hindi na. So yun lang ang pag-uusapan natin ngayong hapon. Magandang hapon po. Bye-bye.